minute. I'm not getting in your shaggin' wagon. Not unless you show me the candy first. We figured out one way to clean the pollen off of here. You do a good job at whatever that is you're doing. Thank you. Thanks for always being there for me. You're good at that, John. That's one of the things I like about these little K trucks. They're quick, easy to clean.
What?
I said that's one thing I like about K trucks is they're quick and easy to clean.
They're so tiny.
You can clean the whole thing with a dish sponge in 10 minutes.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, good.
You did a good job with that blower.
You did too.
Okay. How about the mats, honey? The floor mats?
What?
The floor mats? Okay, cool. Okay, go ahead. Okay, now do your farm girl's so silly. She turns 58 this summer.
So silly.
Throw that leg out a little too. Yeah. So what do you want to do now? You want to use it?
Yes.
You want to go to the beach?
Yes.
Okay. Would you rather go out on the boat, on the creek, out back, or into the waterway, or would you rather go?
I would rather do both.
If I had my druthers, I would do everything.
Yeah. But let's do this because it's nice out. It's not too hot.
And you know I love it when it's not so sunny that I'm burning.
It's perfect.
Yeah. Would you sell this truck?
Maybe.
Okay. Well,
Only because I like to drive the van because I'm advertising.
Yeah. So yeah, let's talk about the truck. Tell me.
This is
a K truck.
So cute and tiny. I
Oh,
can park it anywhere.
I don't think that's how you describe a vehicle,
it's like parking
Jen.
a motorcycle. It's so small.
That's not very technical.
And it's a 2-cylinder. So
Is it a 2 or they come in 2 and 3?
2 and 3, yeah. It does go 70 or no, well, 65.
You've actually had it on the highway, which is not recommended because, as one person pointed out, obviously there's no crush zone.
Yeah,
You're just stuck in
You have to be very careful if you take it on the highway.
So it'd be like smashing a can of sardines with a hammer if you got in a wreck. So don't do that.
Yeah.
So really, these are designed as farm trucks.
Yeah, you just drive them around the neighborhood and go to the store. Yeah.
So that's what they were for the Japanese who built them and designed them for farms, I guess.
Yeah.
So they come...
It's definitely not a long distance vehicle.
How many cc's?
660?
660 roughly.
Something like that.
Where's the engine?
The engine is...
It's right here.
Not under the seat. It's in
under
the back.
there, yeah. And this is
I knew that. I was just kidding.
What kind of drive is it?
This is a rear wheel drive.
A rear wheel drive. And your particular truck has wheels. You got rims on
Upgraded. Very nice wheels.
Yeah.
And it's got
graphics.
Like a lift kit. Does it have a lift kit?
No, it doesn't have a lift kit, but I did put new springs, new struts. Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's really interesting.
Oh, it drives so much better now than it did
when
we
yeah,
first
it was
got
a
it.
terrible clown car when we got it. It's got no AC. This one has new seats.
It has heat though.
Yeah. So if you were selling this, that's a big plus.
What?
All the little
nice
things
seats.
that have been done to it. The seats, even the floor mat, and the fact that it's not torn up. And what year is it?
2005.
Okay. This would be easy to sell, Jen, but you don't need to sell it, right?
You don't have to, but you could.
Everything's for sale.
Everything's for sale for the right buyer.
Okay. What else are people going to want to know? Oh, why don't you take the net off and let's show them how these, just pop those, yeah. We'll show them how this is kind of like a what's that movie? Transformer. It's a transformer. So first you can take your gate down. That unlocks this panel. Let me see. And then what?
You can take these down or off, right?
Let's see, there's a little hinge right here. You can drop these down. How cool is that? So you have a flat bed in case you have something that's bigger than the bed. Yeah.
See how cool this is?
Yes.
I'm keeping it.
Okay. Damn it. I know a bunch of guys are saying, damn it,
that I do all the
don't
time.
keep it, I want it. What'd you say?
For my drywall business.
Oh, yeah. You're so smart. You could put sheets right on there, couldn't you?
For sure.
Strap them down.
You go for a ride?
Yeah. Yeah, let's swing. You can't ride with these down, so we'll swing these up.
You could ride with them down.
Well, they'd rub the wheels, though.
Oh. Well, then, what's the sense?
Did you figure that out?
Yeah, of course.
God.
Smarter than your average bear.
Each of these sections slides right off. Look, I have this one almost off. Just like that. And then you can stow them. You can put them away. You can put them on top of your load or what have you. But they all come right off of these. Yeah, well, we just do it 3 times if we need to. Ooh, starts right up. That's really a plus.
Yeah. Always.
All right.
Ready? Okay. The emergency brake works really well. Okay. We're loaded for bear here. So much less bouncy than it used to be. But it's bouncy.
Yeah, it's bouncy on a dirt road.
Oh, man.
Well, you don't even need first gear, right?
Not really.
Were you in first?
Yeah.
Okay.
Woohoo!
I feel like a stunt driver, you?
You are. You're a cowboy.
Or a stunt passenger. Yep.
So fun. Off to the beach. There's my girl.
Oh, there's our daughter. Fancy meeting you here. Oh, do you not have your makeup as you like it? Hi, babies.
What are you doing?
We're going to the beach.
A little video.
Yep.
Hi. Oh, what did I just do? I went in fourth instead of second. Well, I started in second. Now I'm in third.
Nice downshifting.
Thanks.
Okay, Mr. Toad. It's okay, you don't use it much.
I know. I'm out of practice, that's for sure. It is fun though. Just bringing it. University of Virginia Law.
This is the yacht club at Topsail Island. This is a cool little island.
Yeah, it is.
Too many people now.
Just wait.
Yeah.
The blinker? Oh.
There's a good little beach access. Parking there.
Duty calls.
Huh?
Duty calls.
Oh.
They pick up dog poop.
Oh, that's fun. You could slip in a tiny spot if there were one. How about between those cars up there?
Go down here.
Yeah.
Here's what I was talking about.
Look at all this parking.
But I don't want to leave it here.
Yeah. It's very expensive to park here, so don't come here.
Get out.
And she's a good right side driver. All right. Take a shower before you go in the ocean, Jen.
Yep.
They're trying to keep it clean.
And look at that.
Oh, that's a real plus. That'll sell a vehicle right
It's
there.
like a locker key.
That sells a vehicle.
Yep. Woo, big waves today.
All right, so are we going for a walk or a swim today?
We're gonna do
All right. Now that was a great beach day.
That was so fun. It looked cold. Good thing we didn't go in.
This kid's gonna build a really big sandcastle. Yes. You're turning around in the parking lot. You don't even have to back out. It's so small you can just turn around on a dime.
So big. Oh, we better put our seatbelts on.
Well, I went to get it registered, and they said we can give you a 10-day registration because you need to get it inspected. I said, what do you mean? It's a classic. She said, not for another year.
So next year?
Next year, it's a classic. 2005. And here we are back to the... And what did I say? I manifested that, didn't I?
Yep.
Now you need to speed. Got about what?
It's got about 53,000 miles on it.
53,000 miles.
Yep.
All right.
85,654 kilometers. Hardly anything.
So how much would you sell a car like this for?
I would sell this exact car for $8,500.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Think that's a good price?
I think so. Yeah, it's got a lot of upgrades on it. So look at the base.
Yeah, I see a lot of them for
like
7,000, and they're torn up and they're much older.
Yeah.
And this one has the weight right on there, 350 kilograms. How many pounds is that, Jen?
700 something.
Here's your gas tank, right there. So you don't want to do any welding.
That's so light. We can just carry it. Go get it on the other side.
Yeah.
Except that I'm sore from my workout.
See if you can lift it up.
Yeah.
Don't be a weakling.
No.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Okay, let's see what we got here. We got $9,000 golf carts, right? $9,000. I don't even know if they're street legal. Oh, what's this? Is it street legal?
It is.
38 horsepower, baby. You like that, huh?
Oh, yeah.
This cost less than this.
Oh, yeah, I imagine.
So it's the same, almost the same footprint as that golf cart. Look at
You
that.
think I was gonna hit this?
Yeah, I was sure of it. So within inches. So there you go. You can pay
Interesting going 65.
$9,000,
That's nice.
and then you got to pay. You got to buy new batteries
Yeah, look at those batteries.
for $1,000 or $2,000. Let's see. But this, I guess, this does have a horn and.
This is street legal, huh?
Okay, so the thing is, see how this window is divided? You get to buy like the full windshield for that, and it'll be street legal.
Okay, so you have to do something to make this street legal.
Yeah.
Plus, this used to be
Well,
more
that makes
expensive.
sense.
Yeah. For a bonus, you see how hazy this headlight is? See how yellow it is? Versus this one. That's been replaced, and this hasn't, I would think. But I'm going to clean this up. Okay, watch. I have a wet sponge and some baking soda. And I'm going to do this the simple way. Okay. You ready? Now you can hit this with some acid first, like vinegar. Just kind of strip the filth off of the surface. But this will abrade it off with this gentle abrasion of baking soda. It's like using toothpaste to polish your teeth. You can use toothpaste, certain toothpastes that have sort of an abrasion, an abrasive property.
Oh, wow, that looks so much better already.
I just put a little bit of elbow grease in so far, and yeah, that's a very simple trick. Cost you about 0.5 cents.
They were way yellow, huh?
Yeah, this side.
Yeah.
That side was clear. So
That's so weird.
yeah.
Huh.
So there you go. There's your bonus tip. Don't put any silicone spray on here, because that might ruin your, I know a lot of people do that, and that can kind of eat into your plastic. People use different substances to clean these, but baking soda and a little effort, a little elbow grease, that does the trick.
Yeah, they look great. Nice work.
Okay, now here's your before. Just a little bit of work. If you want to go with power, you can use a polishing wheel and a soft pad, like a car polishing pad, and put your baking soda on there and go to town, and be done very quickly. And yeah, I think that looks pretty good. Thanks for watching, everyone. This side was a little tougher to slide out, so I used my claw, my hammer, and that actually spread the yolk open just fine. So I'm good to go. Now I've learned a thing or two on one side. The other side seems to be going much more quickly, but we will see. Hopefully no hang-ups. Let's get that divot in the right place. Just about right like that. That's all I gotta do. I think that will do it.
I can't see.
Or maybe not. You don't have to come in here. You can do it!